got what I need, sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat, keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that's what I see, you got what I need, sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat, keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Ooh, that's sugar. All I want is satisfaction. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that good reaction. Gonna make it right, little like an offer I can't refuse.
So we're up to the third layer, which is the second last layer. And as you can see, all the bricks are placed in there. This has taken us about 15 minutes to complete this job. And keep in mind, this is our actual biggest oven in our range. So 15 minutes to complete this one, our smaller ones will take a lot less. So we're about to put the final raisin on the third course, and then we're about to put the plug in, and then we're about to mortar the oven itself, just in the joints on the outside here, just to make sure everything's all nice and neat and clean, so there's no heat escaping at all.